Listening to music is something that we all love doing. We listen in the car, when we're out with friends, while we're doing our homework. You can listen to music just about anywhere. But here's the big question. Did you make money the last time you listened to music? Didn't think so. What if there was a simple button on your phone that paid you money to PayPal every time you played your favorite jams? And yes, this does exist, and it's awesome. Pay attention to this video because I'm going to reveal everything right now. Warning, results are not typical. You may only make $50 or maybe just $100 using this method. So please be careful before you proceed. Watch every second of this video. And if you do, you'll learn how to make $50 to $250 by the end of this video. And exactly how to make a part-time income without leaving your home. How to make sure you have a consistent daily income coming in. Anyone can push a simple play button on their phone, and that's really all you have to do to start earning money. Just imagine waking up in the morning and turning on your music money machine. Go on with your day, relax, make a nice meal, all while earning money playing your favorite tunes. And the best part is, this is 100% free. Now, the very first step is to make sure you have a PayPal account, since this is how you're going to receive your funds with the different websites that I'm going to show you right on this video. So just go right over to paypal.com and come right up here to the very top and click on Sign Up. Create a simple personal account and then click on Next. You guys will be up and running in minutes. It's that simple. The greatest thing about using these websites to get paid for listening to music is that you can use these services worldwide. Yes, so that means that they support every single country. And also, it's 100% free. There's no premiums or anything like that. You guys can sign up in minutes and get started right away. Now, I know a lot of you guys are wondering, well, how exactly do I get paid? Well, that's the good news. So you actually get paid through PayPal, just like it says here. We pay via PayPal. So I thought you guys would love to hear that. And that's pretty exciting because a lot of us are already familiar with PayPal and how easy it is to receive payments. So that's really a cool thing. Now, I'll be showing you the names of these websites in just a moment. So stay with me here. I'll give you all the details towards the end of this video. You can also see live statistics from all the different listeners around the world that are listening right now. And they've already paid out $217,000 to all of their users. And they have currently 1,235 people are listening right now and making money with this website. Currently, they have 78,000 members that are a part of this, and you can scroll down here and zoom in and out and see how many people are listening in different countries and also the country that's around your area. The first step is to register with the website so you guys can get access to the dashboard. You'll just need an email and a password. It's really, really simple to get started. And then once you see your dashboard, you're going to be able to choose one out of 3 radio stations. Now, just remember, guys, you get paid every 15 minutes that you listen to music. So every 15 minutes, the points are added to your account, which you can later redeem for PayPal cash. So choose one of the 3 radio stations right here to get started. Now, you guys can choose to listen to mixed music of all different varieties of music out there, or you can listen to the top 100 songs, or you can just listen to news. If for those days that maybe you don't want to listen to music, you can get paid for listening to the news. I mean, it's kind of weird. Now, the next station is going to be about dance music and remixes and things like that. That's actually my personal favorite. But number 3 radio station right here is going to be all about easy listening. So if you guys want to have easy listening, just light music going on in the background while you guys do different chores, maybe around the house or maybe study or do your homework or something like that, well, you can actually get paid for doing it. To get paid for listening to music, the very first step is to click on one of these buttons right next to the different genre that you want to listen to. So for me, I'm going to choose the dance one. So I'm going to click on Start Radio 2. Now, as soon as I do that, a new tab's going to appear in the browser. Now, the first thing you're going to see is this little player up here, so you can just really just click on this little play button. The music's going to start to play, and then you guys will start to earn money. Now, what you're also going to see is a banner advertisement. Now, guys, this is how they make their money, and what they're going to do is pay you a portion of the advertising costs that they make. So really, they make a little money, you make a little money. It's a win-win for everybody. So to get started listening to music, just come up here and press the play button. Here we go. And you can see the music's really not that bad, guys. It's definitely something that I could listen to in the background, so this is totally cool. Now, I've got something even more exciting to share with you guys. You can actually play the music in iTunes and still get paid. I know it sounds crazy. Play the music in iTunes? I mean, it doesn't make any sense, right? Well, here's what you do. So right over here on the website, there's going to be a little button that says open the stream with your player. Now, as soon as you do that, it's going to download this little stream file. Well, if you open that stream file, it's going to open into the player that's set by default. Well, in my case, this is iTunes. So all you have to do when it loads up, and I call this my music money machine. So whenever I want to make a little money, I'll click play. Let's go ahead and check it out. Here's another way that you can make money by listening to music. I found this weird website that wants to pay you for using your phone. I don't know, I guess you pick up your phone and you dial a number and you sit there and listen, and they're actually going to pay you for doing that. It's actually a live radio broadcast, and they're going to pay you money directly to your PayPal account. So over here, just go to this website. All you're going to do is just sign up and use a unique number and create your user profile, and then you're going to be able to access different numbers and things like that. And you guys are going to be able to perform a short test call. After the test call is complete, you guys get paid for listening to a live radio broadcast. I know, I've never seen anything else like this. So it's totally cool, and you also get speedy payments. You can choose between weekly or monthly payments by either bank transfer, Bitcoin, which is kind of cool, Amazon vouchers, and you can even choose charity if you want to. So this is a really cool website, something that I've never seen before, and you guys can just earn cash just by using your phone and dialing in on a number and listening to live radio broadcasts. But one of my favorite websites for making money listening to music is this one right here. This is going to be a website where you can get paid to rate different artists and rate their songs, even popular artists that are out there right now. Yeah. So go to this website, make an account, and then what you're going to do, this big orange bar here at the very top, you're going to want to click right there on that button or over here that says Rate Music. And then so once you click on that, that'll open up a player into a new window. It'll tell you the artist's name and the song. So after you get finished listening to the music, it'll bring you over to this page right here where you can rate the track that you just listened to. So let's say, maybe I could say like, I love it, or I like it, or it's okay, or I don't like it, or I hate it. Whatever it is, however you feel about the music, what you're going to do is enter in your comments right here, and then you guys will get points for every single review that you do. And those points can be later redeemed for an Amazon gift card. So this is really cool. This is like a little raffle. So all the points, you can convert that into an Amazon gift card. You can go over to Amazon and buy stuff. And so listen to music, get an Amazon card, and go over there to Amazon.com and buy different things and have it shipped to your house. So this is a really cool deal. This next website is really, really unique. They're actually going to pay you for listening to music. When the music arrives in your inbox, you're going to click on a link, and then that'll go over to a website. You can listen to the music, and then they're going to pay you for that. So it's really cool. And so the first thing you're going to do is just watch this walkthrough video right here. That'll explain everything on what to do. And then you guys will sign up with the service. It's 100% free. And then you'll wait for the music to arrive in your inbox. And then you get paid to listen. And then you can also support the bands that you love. Okay, so let's go over the 4 websites that we talked about on this video. The first one was Radio Earn. This is the one where you guys can get paid for simply just listening to music. You can stream this into iTunes if you want to. And so the website's called RadioEarn.com. You can go over to RadioEarn.com or just simply type that into Google and you should find the link to this page right here. Come up to the very top here where it says sign up and then you guys will be on your way. The other website's called Cash for Minutes. Now, for this one, they're going to pay you for picking up your phone, dialing a number, and then you guys get to make money with your monthly unused phone minutes simply by listening to internet radio broadcasts. I know it's kind of weird, but this is what they do, and that's what it's all about. The other one here is Hit Predictor. You guys get paid for reviewing new music, some music that's never even been heard before, even by some famous artists that are out there, and you guys get to review and give a little bit of feedback on the music, support your favorite bands, and then you guys get paid for doing that. So that's over at hitpredictor.com. musicx.com. The next website is Music X-Ray. Now, what you're going to want to do is go over to Google and type in Music X-Ray, get paid to listen, and that'll bring you to this page that you're looking at right here. When you get to the website, just come down here to the very bottom and click on sign up for free. That'll take you right over here. You just need a username, email, and password. You can also sign up with SoundCloud and Facebook, which is kind of cool. So go over and check that out. Now, guys, there's just one thing. Let me ask you a question. Are you really making the most out of your time by doing this? And let's face it, you're really trading time for money here. I mean, once you stop listening to the music, well, the money could stop. And so you're really putting in a lot of time. You're trading time for effort here. And a lot of these channels, they're going to pay you a little bit, but you may have to listen or have the music playing for almost 24 hours a day to really earn any kind of real income, a type of income that I know you're really, really looking for. And so this really